Hi, so I'm Karina Vargas,
And I'm Nick Duke.
and we're doing the simulation theory.
Yeah, so in a recap, the simulation theory generalizes the idea that we are living in a simulation. We as a society are being controlled, if you will, by some superior intellect that we don't know why they're doing it, but they have some kind of agenda. And if you've seen the movie The Matrix, this is kind of the movie takes the idea of the simulation theory to another level, but it's kind of the same idea that we are living inside of a computer and we don't really know it, but that's the idea.
So in the last video, we kind of spoke about how some people don't really believe in this conspiracy theory, but today we're going to kind of talk as to why it resonates with people. And so one of them that we've discussed in class is how critical awareness, that we've been deceived and lied before. So this kind of correlates with the simulation theory because it's kind of like we don't choose, we're not being told the whole story, so we're not in control of our story, which is why people believe in the simulation theory, because it's something that's controlling us rather than us making the decisions for ourselves.
Right, and it's part of, they say that there's an algorithm that's designing the lines of our life. So if you feel like you're not in control, maybe that's because you're not in control. Maybe this algorithm is doing everything for you. So there's that. Plus we have the alienation, which it's like when you don't feel a part of something. And this also correlates with the simulation theory because maybe you don't feel a part of something because there's nothing really to be a part of. If you're just a simulation, there's you're not special, you're just another algorithm, if you will.
Yeah, and believers as well, of this conspiracy theory, it's kind of when you believe in something, you kind of join groups, so by believing in the simulation theory, you kind of gather with people who think alike, which kind of goes apart from alienation, and you find people that have similar mindsets as you. And so there's another that's the powerlessness, and that kind of goes with not being in control of your story, because you're, like you said, you don't have power as to what happens in your life, in a sense, which is why a lot of people do believe in that and kind of continue with the simulation theory and adding on to it.
Yeah, that's pretty well rounded. So, yep, thank you for watching again, and take care.
Bye.